We'll guide you through how to fix media offline in Davinci Resolve 18. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So this error is super annoying. So to go and fix it, all you want to do is go to your media pool in the top here, go and select it and activate it so you can go and see it if you can't already. And then what you want to do is go and select the videos which are offline, or the media I should say. Then right click on them and go down to relink selected clips. When you click there, your file explorer will open up. And then what you can do is either you can go and find the exact location where they are, or what you can do is just go and select the drive, and Davinci Resolve will then go and search for it. That process will take a little bit longer as it has to go and find it, but it should be easy enough. So click on this PC and find the drive they're on. In this case for me, they're on the new volume E. I'll then press select folder and it will go and say 3 clips could not be found. Just press close, and then what you can do is go and do a comprehensive search. And just like that, it's now doing the final clip, and hopefully it'll go and find it. And just like that, it's now going and reloaded them as it's gone and found the source. As I said, it is faster to go and manually do it, but it is sort of like a lazy way, if you're struggling to find it, of doing it the way I did it.